So yesterday we had a bigger move to the downside in the pre-market, and we opened with big gap, which was quickly filled, and we balanced within previous day's range. So we are back within Friday's range. We had 2 inside days and are back after looking below and failing. So we should expect moving to the other extreme unless some further weakness emerges. Yesterday I had good trades. I bought in the overnight. I bought this dip and I cashed out on the way up. I bought again in this pullback low, so that was really good idea to trade here. If I were flat, I might have tried to short here, or maybe on the next period when we open below previous low against that low or against that high. Those might be a good trade ideas. Again, here we had a support resistance zone from the overnight, so this also might have been an idea, but the problem would be stops. So here is overnight point of control, volume point of control, saddle. So either really tight stops, or I don't know, plan to exit. I don't know where. So yeah, maybe scalp short. And here also potential good trade in, I think, maybe J period, where when we had this pullback low which got us almost to the daily lows and to this high. So like if we assume that this is a separate profile, the filling of single prints would be the exit or slightly below. And in the overnight I had poor trade. I entered long here. I exited around this area, and it was too big size, so I gave away everything from yesterday and more. So really bad execution on my part. Anyway, let's think of what can happen today. We are going to open within balance, within value, so rotational trades should be favorable. So one would be from this level, another one could be from this, but so far this level isn't that reactive, so I should be more careful from here. Maybe overnight lows are better, so look below and fail here, like maybe half size or less. And if we get a stronger move, either initially or not, then we have to look for confirmation of that breakout. So either we have stronger move to the upside that breaks overnight highs, then we could rely on entering back to the daily range to value. So put stops there and get us higher to revisit those references and get to the Friday's highs, or to the downside. If we get a stronger move that clears the lows, then I'm not sure about getting short against this level. And I'm thinking about any idea to enter and what would be our stop. So I really would have to see. So this range doesn't look that extreme, so it is like near the halfway back, so it's much tougher than this range, because here value area high is around daily highs, and here it is just around half back. So the, let's say, initiative trade lower is tougher here. I'm not sure I will be able to execute here. I'm not a big fan of initiative buying here or here. I don't see any interesting levels below that acted as support resistance. Maybe this area around 6,000, which is the base of the prints, and in the overnight also we had limited activity below. So anywhere here, if we find an exhaustion of the move, I would be a buyer. But then again, slightly smaller size. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today.